See, acne is more than just poor hygiene and dirt. And scrubbing skin too hard or over-cleansing, basically stripping the skin from its natural oils, would do nothing but make acne worse. See, here's this gland, an oil gland, also called a sebaceous gland, and it produces an oil called sebum. So this gland is now inflamed and also producing an excess oil. So you'll have this oily skin, and on the top of it, there is this bacteria involved affecting immune system and creating more inflammation, which is now resulting into pimples and redness all over the face. So what is treating this bacteria? High levels of insulin. And insulin is behind so many problems: skin problems, diabetes, PCOS, hormonal imbalance, high levels of androgen. See, food is everywhere, and today we are constantly eating 5-6 meals a day, and every time you eat, you trigger insulin. So try to go without eating as long as you can. Don't eat unless you are hungry. The second most important thing is deficiency of vitamin D3. See, it inhibits the growth of bacteria, which is involved in creating acne. All the swelling and inflammation will come down, but it is almost impossible to get from the diet. You have to get it from the sun. And teenagers are mostly deficient in vitamin D3. And mostly all the diabetics are deficient in vitamin D3. And the third most important thing is vitamin A. See, vitamin A has been used in the past for acne in the form of Accutane, which is a synthetic version of vitamin A. So try to consume more vitamin A and D3. So that's it for now. And if you want to know more about such health related issues, then subscribe to my channel, Simply Living, and thanks for watching.